Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a ZTE Blade V40s and let me share with you how to manage Google account on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to find the users and accounts. Of course, here we've got a whole Google section and we can add or remove a Google account using it, but I personally prefer to do it using this section. So let me tap on it, and as you can see, right here we've got the section with the account. So we've got one Google account added. So let's begin the whole operation with removing this one. So in order to remove the Google account, just tap on it and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again, and as you can see, it will be immediately removed. But be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, then your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. So now let me show you how to add the account to this device. So let's simply tap on add account, choose of course Google, and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. It can be the Wi-Fi or mobile data. And here from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. What's more, a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it, B40 @ symbol, and after tapping on next, your device will autofill it. And right now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got all the info you need. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and start info, so just tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. So basically that's all. This is how to add or remove a Google account in your ZTE Blade V40s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.